Anxiety and stress is something that we have to deal with on a day-to-day basis, and we all deal with it differently. So I'm going to talk about a technique that's helped me growing up and then helped thousands of others around the world. And maybe you've clicked on this video, or there's something that's bothering you at the moment or right now that you'd like to work with. And we're going to go through that process of dealing and working with it in this video. So hopefully we can do that together. So, what is this technique that can help me? Well, all it is tapping. Just tapping different parts of the body. Now you might be going, okay, rolling your eyes, nah, I'm done with this. He's telling me that I can tap my body and all of a sudden the anxiety and stuff is released? No, and you're right, it's not quite as simple as just tapping the body. But it's actually a well-known technique, and it's called EFT Tapping. And it's actually a mix between modern psychology and the old ancient meridian points that are used for acupuncture. And they found that the combination of the two actually work together well to reduce the anxiety and stress and fears that people may have. So, how do we do this technique? It's made up of one part, the physical tapping side of things, and the emotional side of things, where we come up with a phrase or the feeling and emotion that we're tapping on. To do that, you've got to tap into the emotion. Let's just forget that. Anyway, so you've got these two parts, you push them together, and it helps relieve that stress and anxiety. So, first we need to come up with a phrase that we're tapping on. For this, we want to tune into that emotion or that feeling, or exactly try and dig as deep as we can to what we're trying to work with. So for example, before doing this video, I sat there and tapped and came up with a phrase of, even though I'm nervous about making a video where I just sit there and tap, I still love and accept myself. The idea behind it is the first part is sort of what you're sort of nervous about, and the second part is there's a bunch of different phrases that you can use. Deeply love and accept myself is the main one, but if you don't resonate with that, then pick one of these other ones. But the more I thought about it, it wasn't the idea of just making a video about tapping that was the sort of underlying fear and anxiety that I had about it. If we dig into that real emotion, being judged, or just feeling stupid in front of others, which is the real emotion and feeling behind it. So actually a better phrase would be to use something like, even though I'm nervous about being judged and looking stupid in front of others, I still deeply love and accept myself. And so that's sort of digging more into the real emotion about what's actually going on. So in whatever your case is, you might find, oh, I'm anxious about this event or this, but really is actually something deeper, is actually the real emotion and feeling that you have. But you'll sort of work with that. And often with this tapping experience, you start off with something basic, like just for example, tapping on, okay, I'm nervous about making this video. But as you progress and go through the different steps, you'll find that, okay, actually, I'm nervous about this part, or this is the real emotion that I'm nervous about. And that's, I guess, where the learning comes from and the relief almost. So once you've come up with your phrase, you can begin the tapping process. Now, if you want a little bit more time to sort of come up with your phrase or construct something that's relative to what you're dealing with at the moment, feel free to pause this video and come back to it when you're ready. Otherwise, you can just sort of wing it, and as I mentioned, start with something broader and something that feeling, and just go from there. And so to start off with, we just want to take a deep breath and just start tuning into the actual emotion or the thing that we're anxious or stressful about, and really sort of feel that stress and anxiety. And while we're doing this, we just want to come up with, out of a 10, ranking it on a scale from 0 is like, okay, there's no anxiety, it's all thing, to 10 just being, oh my god, can't deal with this, just too stressful, yeah, you get the thing. So to start off with, we're just going to take that deep breath and really tune in and come up with a number. So once we have our number ready, we're ready to begin the process. So as we're going through this, it's really important just to focus on that emotion, that stress, that anxiety, and really focus on that feeling as we're tapping through the different points. Now also, I'm going to go through and just sort of continue with the theme of being stressful and anxiety around making this video and putting this video out there. As we're saying the different things, you just substitute it in with what you're feeling or the thing that you want to work on at the moment, and we'll work on this together. So to start off with, the first point is this back of the hand, It doesn't matter what hand we do it on, the same with all these different points, just whatever feels comfortable for you. So let's get started. First point is this knife hand, and all we do is we're tapping it away and we're saying the phrase that we came up with before. I'll go first, essentially, and then you can just sort of fill in the blank space with saying your thing. So even though I'm nervous about being judged online and looking stupid in front of other people, I still deeply love and accept myself. So even though I'm anxious about looking stupid in front of everyone and being judged by others, I still love and accept myself. So even though I'm anxious about looking stupid in front of everyone and being judged by others, I still love and accept myself. So, from here, the next point is just in the inner of the eyebrow, and it's just in the inner of the eyebrow. And so you can do it with one hand, other hand, both. Usually if I'm doing it by myself, I'll do both hands like this, but just for ease of talking and stuff, I might just stick with the one. And so once we get to these other points here, on the first one we have that whole big long phrase about feeling and getting us back into that, thinking about that feeling and emotion. But as we're going with here, we just need to have something just to remind us and rephrase us. So for me, it's just going to be judged by others. And you're really just sitting down and focusing on that anxiety and stress. And it's just a way to keep into... Technically you can do it without the words as well, but there's something about just saying it out loud that sort of triggers that as well. So as we're tapping away here, I'm thinking judged by others. And then we move to the side of the eye, not quite the temple but in front, just the side of the eye, and tap away. Judged by others. The next point is under the eye, and we just tap away, and once again, judged by others. Next point, we move down to sort of under the nose, and we just tap away, and once again, judged by others. Next point is just the chin, and tap away, judged by others. And as we're saying this, the word doesn't have to be like sort of a short word of whatever. It could be just sort of nervous about being judged by others, anxious about it, just literally whatever's comfortable for you and whatever helps you just sort of trigger and really feel into that emotion. Next step is just under the collarbones and sort of just a little bit down, and we just tap away. Some people, and yeah, you can use all your hands. Some people like using a bit of a fist, but for me, I just like using the fingertips, tapping away. And then from there, we move down to under the arm. And so it's not directly right up in the armpit, but it's about 3 inches down, and just tapping away. And once again, you can do both arms, just the one, just the other. Now I look like a bit of a gorilla, but yeah, just tapping away. Just remember focusing on that experience. Then we go to, from here, the last point just being the top of the head. Just tapping away. Anxious about being judged. Now essentially that process there, starting from the hand, going across, starting from the eyes, going down the face, into the chest, and then under the arms, and then back to the head. So that's one sort of loop through the process. And at this point, usually you'd reassess, okay, has this anxiety decreased? Is it still the same? Out of 10, what would I rank it? And sometimes, often you'll find when you first start, that sometimes it's normal that maybe the anxiety still is the same sort of level, or maybe it's even gone down one, which is a great start. But it can take a bit of time, just going through and really just sort of focusing on that experience and just really just tapping through them. And as you'll find, as you sort of do it by yourself, you'll find that some processes, at some points, say you're going through the tapping process and you get to the chin and you just feel like tapping on the chin for a little bit longer. That's more than fine. There's no general rules with it. It's just really focusing in and tapping on the different points. So I'm no expert in this field, and I'm not claiming to be some sort of expert. I'm just sort of sharing what's helped me in the past and the technique that helps me. But if you want to go on YouTube, there's some real good channels that I'll link in the description, and some websites that really sort of know what they're doing when it comes to tapping, and are really helpful, and what I've found really helpful. Also, I want to keep this community really real, so I'd be grateful to hear like what your thoughts on this process are down in the comments. If you found maybe it works for you, or like obviously you're going to have to go through the video a couple of times and try it out for yourself before. Or maybe it's just sort of expanded your mind a little bit into a technique that you'd never sort of heard of or even considered trying before. If you're interested in more things like this and some of the journeys that I sort of go on as I'm going on my spiritual and personal development journey, check out these two videos. Peace.